Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to contact Gmail customer service on PC with the latest updates. Follow these simple steps to seek assistance with any Gmail-related issues. To begin, open the Gmail help page using a mobile or desktop browser. This page serves as a comprehensive resource for resolving Gmail queries and concerns. Next, select a topic category by clicking on one of the categories listed below the search box on the help page. This action will expand the category, revealing related topics that you can explore for assistance. If you have a specific issue in mind, you can also search for a topic by typing relevant keywords into the search box near the top of the page. Select the closest topic from the resulting drop-down menu to find relevant help articles. Once you've selected a category, click on a topic title below that category to delve deeper into the specific area of concern. Choose a help article by clicking on one of the links below the topic heading. This will direct you to a detailed article containing instructions and solutions related to your Gmail issue. If required, fill out a form within the help article to provide additional information or specify the type of problem you're facing. Follow any on-screen prompts to proceed accordingly. Before taking any action, make sure to read through the entire help article thoroughly. Understanding the instructions provided is crucial for effectively resolving your Gmail concern. Follow the steps outlined in the help article to address your Gmail issue. If the problem persists, return to the Gmail help page and explore different topic categories, topics, and articles to find alternative solutions. By following these steps, you can navigate the Gmail help resources effectively and troubleshoot any Gmail-related issues with ease. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to contact Gmail customer service on PC using the latest updates. Stay informed, explore the help resources, and resolve your Gmail concerns efficiently.